Hi, my name is Tegan Galloway, and I am in the Education Specialist Degree Program in Instructional Technology at Kennesaw State University. I began the program in the fall of 2017, and I will graduate this semester. I first graduated from Kennesaw State University in 2013 with a bachelor's degree in secondary English education, and then I graduated from KSU's master's program in secondary English education in December of 2015. I currently teach 9th and 10th grade literature and composition courses at Lassiter High School, Cobb County. The title of my capstone project is Utilizing Online Collaboration Spaces in the Secondary English Language Arts Classroom. The problem or need that prompted this project proposal is the difficulty that both teachers and students have experienced with the adoption of the new English Language Arts Springboard textbooks. There are several different writing assignments in the new textbook that talk about student collaboration, but teachers need a concrete way to accomplish this task that holds each student accountable for their own work. Students have expressed that they find the textbook difficult to follow and repetitive, and they need something that engages them in the content as well as the writing process. Utilizing an online collaboration space such as Google Docs can solve both of these problems and offer an engaging and rigorous technology connection to implement within each English Language Arts course. The project that I am proposing will be a series of instructional handouts, videos, and one workshop during lunch designed to give the language arts teachers at my high school the tools and resources that they will need to successfully integrate online collaboration tools into their classrooms. My goal will be to provide the necessary instruction for the language arts teachers in my department to utilize online collaboration spaces in their own classroom for collaborative student writing, as well as to increase productivity, enhance instructional practices, and increase student engagement. The first part of the project will be to develop these instructional materials for the language arts teachers at my high school. The second part of the development of instructional materials includes handouts and screenshots to deliver to these teachers during my workshop. During this workshop, I will provide instructions and examples for the ways in which the teachers can use online collaboration spaces to enhance instructional practices and student engagement by incorporating collaborative writing into their curriculum as aligned with the Springboard textbook. Finally, the third part of the project will occur after the teachers have had time to implement the use of collaboration spaces in their own classrooms. I will create handouts and screencasts to assist with any issues that these teachers may have experienced in the facilitation of student use of online collaboration spaces, as well as suggestions for differentiation through extension activities utilizing the same resources. These activities will align with PSC Standard 2, Element 2.1, Content Standards and Student Technology Standards, because the Google tools and other online collaboration spaces provide technology-enhanced learning experiences. Element 2.3, Authentic Learning, is also represented with this project by using digital tools to engage students in authentic learning experiences. Element 2.7, Assessment, is also addressed with this project as students will complete a collaborative writing assignment as a summative assessment. For my capstone project, my goal is to provide the necessary instruction for the language arts teachers to utilize online collaboration spaces in their own classroom for collaborative student writing, as well as to increase productivity, enhance instructional practices, and increase student engagement. I created a website that has all of the instructional materials available for the staff for later reference. During my workshop, I demonstrated different ways for the language arts teachers could use online collaboration resources in their classroom, specifically for the collaborative writing assignments in the Springboard textbook. Furthermore, I provided instructions and examples for the ways in which the teachers could use online collaboration spaces to enhance the instructional practices that they already use in their classroom and increase student engagement by incorporating collaborative writing into their curriculum as aligned with the Springboard textbook. I am proud of the outcome of my project and feel that overall my proposed project went as planned. I held a series of workshops and instructional meetings with my fellow English language arts teachers to instruct them on some of the best resources available to them for students' online collaborative writing practices. Furthermore, I was able to tie these activities directly to the Springboard textbook presented by College Board that we are currently implementing in our classroom per school and county policy. This aspect of my project made the activities significantly more realistic for my peers to accomplish within the school year, as they can tangibly see how the activities tie into the writing assessments and assignments utilizing the online collaboration writing software. They will be completing the required coursework for the unit while also tying in communication and technology standards, helping many teachers within my field accomplish their professional development goals as well. At the end of my project, many students and teachers involved in my study reported that they felt the use of online collaboration spaces enhanced their teaching and learning experiences. Many students felt that they were able to engage with the content in a new way while they collaborated with their peers on their writing assignments. On the other hand, many teachers felt that they were better able to incorporate the collaborative writing assessment piece encouraged through the Springboard text. Thank you.